Hello students, welcome to yours and our beautiful channel Maths Nation. Students, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe. It is one-stop solutions for mathematics. The channel is promised to clear all your doubts and cover the whole syllabus. Okay. In my last class, students, we will discuss about the polynomial factorization. And in this class we will discuss about lines and angles. Lines and angles. You know very well what is lines and what is angles. This chapter is only the review of previous classes. What is an angle? Suppose AOB is an angle. OA and OB are two sides of the triangle. AOB is the angle and this area is called interior of the triangle. This area is called the interior of the angle and these area are called the exterior of this angle. Okay. Then what do you mean by congruent triangle? What do you mean by congruent angle? Congruent angle. Congruent angle. What do you mean by congruent angle? Congruent angle is the angle when two angles are said to be congruent if and only they have same measure. Two angles, suppose AOB and here XYZ. AOB and XYZ are called to be congruent angle when the measure of AOB is equal to the measure of XYZ. Then can we say that these two angles are congruent angle. Suppose this is 65 degree, this is also a 65 degree. Okay. This area inside the triangle is called the interior of the triangle and this outside area is called the exterior of the triangle. Here point P is interior of the angle where the point Q is exterior of the angle. Okay. Then types of angles. At first, types of angles. Types of angles. This is a angle. Suppose ABC is an angle and which measure 90 degree. This is called right angle. When the measure of an angle is 90 degree, then this is called a right angle. What? Right angle. Then next, what do you mean by this is right angle? Then what do you mean by acute angle? PQR is called an acute angle while the measure is less than 90 degree. Acute angle is the angle whose measure is less than 90 degree or greater than 0. This is the acute angle while its measure is less than 90 degree. The angle measured 90 degree is called right angle. Then next, what do you mean by obtuse angle? Obtuse. Third is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. XYZ is called an acute angle. Acute obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. This is obtuse angle. While the measure theta of obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Acute angle is less than 90 degree. Acute angle less than 90 degree, greater than 0. Right angle measure 90 degree. Okay. Then next, straight angle. What do you mean by straight angle? Straight angle is the angle whose measure is 180 degree. Straight angle. Suppose this is a straight line and this angle is called straight angle. This is a straight line and this angle is called, suppose, STR. STR is a line and this angle is called straight angle whose measure is 180 degree. Then next, reflex angle. Next reflex angle. Reflex angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 160 degree. Suppose reflex angle, this is reflex angle, PQR. This angle is called reflex angle. Reflex angle is the angle, reflex angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. Okay, this is called reflex angle. Next, what do you mean by complete angle whose measure is 360 degree? This is called complete angle. Suppose it is a point and the angle around the point is measured 360 degree, is called complete angle. Okay, then next, what do you mean by complementary angle? You know very well what is complementary, what is supplementary. Just this lesson is the review of the, now we read the previous year study. Those things is a revision or review of your previous study. You know what is interior of angle, you know what is exterior of angle, you know what is congruent angle, you know type right angle. Congruent angle is the angle two angles are said to be congruent while its measure are same. Then next, right angle. The measure of the angle is 180 degree, then this is called right angle. Acute angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Next, obtuse angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Next, straight angle whose measure is 180 degree is called straight angle. Then reflex angle. Reflex angle is the angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 is called reflex angle. Then next, complete angle is the angle whose measure is 360 degree. Okay. Then complementary angle. Two angles are said to be complementary if when their sum is 90 degree. Two angles are said to be complementary to each other, are said to be complementary angle to each other while their sum is 180 degree. Complementary angle to each other while their sum is 90 degree. This is called complementary angle. Okay, suppose A, B, C, D. Here the angle DBC and angle DBA. Here the angle DBC and angle DBA are called complementary to each other, whereas DBC plus DBA is equal to 90 degree. Then they are called complementary to each other. Suppose 50 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. 50 degree and 40 degree are complementary to each other. If what is the complementary of 35 degree angle? What is the pair, complementary pair of 35 degree? Complementary pair of 35 degree is 95 minus 35, which is equal to 45. 45 degree is the complementary pair of 35 degree. Okay. Then next, supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary angle? Supplementary angle is the angle whose sum is measure 180 degree. Supplementary angles. When the sum of two pair of angle measure 180 degree is called supplementary to each other. When two angles sum is 180 degree, then only we say they both are supplementary to each other. They both are supplementary to each other. They both are supplementary to each other. Suppose this is a straight angle, this is x, this is y. Here the measure of x angle plus measure of y angle is 180 degree. Then x and y are supplementary to each other. X and y are supplementary pair of each other. Okay. Linear pair are always supplementary. Suppose this is a straight line and this is a ray. Then these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, are linear pair of each other, and the measure of angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Hence they are also supplementary to each other. Linear pair are always supplementary to each other. Okay. Let us solve some examples. Suppose one example says, find the measure of an angle which forms a pair of supplementary angle with itself. Find the measure of an angle which forms a pair of supplementary angle with itself. Let the angle be x and its supplementary pair is also x. As the question asked, the measure of an angle which forms a supplementary angle of itself with itself. If x is the angle, then its supplementary pair is x. As we know that the x is supplementary pair of x, means the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. This means 2x equal to 180 degree, x equal to 90 degree. The right angle is supplementary pair of itself. Another example says, two supplementary angles differ by 34 degree. Two supplementary pair angle differ by 34 degree to each other. Let the angle be x. Then as it differ from its pair by 34, then the other pair is more than 34 degree, because they both differ to each other by 34 degree. Then the other pair is x plus 34 degree. According to questions, as they are supplementary pair of each other, then x plus 34 is equal to 180 degree, which implies 2x plus 34 is equal to 180 degree. Then which implies 2x equal to 180 minus 34, which is equal to 146. 2x equal to 146, which shows that x equal to 146 upon 73 degree. Then one pair of the supplementary pair is 73 degree. Another is x plus 34, which is 73 plus 34, which is equal to 107 degree. Supplementary pair, one is 73 degree, another is 107. They are supplementary to each other, means their sum is 180 degree. 107 plus 73 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then another example. Suppose an angle is 5 times that of its complementary. An angle is 5 times that of its complementary. Let the angle be, one angle is 5 times that of its complementary pair. Let the angle be x. Then as the question is said, its complementary, it is 5 times of its complementary pair. Its complementary pair is complementary pair is 90 minus x, as two angles are said to be complementary to each other while their sum is 90 degree. As one angle is x, another angle is 90 minus x. According to question, the angle is 5 times that of its. According to question, the angle is 5 times that of its complementary pair. Means x equal to 90 minus 5 into 90 minus x. X equal to 450 minus 5x. Then x plus 5x is equal to 450. 6x is equal to 450. X equal to 450 upon 6, which equal to 75. One angle is 75, then its complementary pair is 90 minus 75, 15 degree. Okay. Then another example. An angle is 1/3 of its supplementary pair. An angle is 1/3 of its supplementary pair. Let the angle be x. Then its supplementary pair. What is its supplementary pair? The supplementary angle is that whose sum is 180 degree. Then its supplementary pair is, if the angle is x, then its supplementary pair is equal to 180 minus x, as their sum of their angle is 180 degree. If one angle is x, another angle is 180 minus x. According to question, the angle is 1/3 of its supplementary pair. The angle is 1/3 of its supplementary pair. Okay. Then 3x is equal to 180 minus x. 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. 4x is equal to 180 degree. X equal to 45 degree. The angle measure 45 degree and its supplementary pair is 180 minus 45, which equal to 135 degree. Okay. Today this much. Like, share and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you, students.